You woke up, but your core still feels like it's dragging behind. The weight you're carrying, physically and emotionally, deserves a more grounded start. Let's hit the mat. When your thoughts feel scattered, this move pulls you back to center. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Send your right arm forward and your left leg back. Pause, then return. Switch sides and repeat slowly with control. Feel your core stabilize and your spine lengthen with each breath. I promise this move is how you unlock your deep core and reconnect your body's rhythm. Need to simplify? Just lift your arm and leg halfway or focus on one limb at a time. Do you feel your center holding you steady? That's strength, not strain. Now that your back's supported, let's bring fire into your hips. Some mornings, your strength is quiet, but it's still there. From a tall kneel, sit your hips back towards your heels, then drive them forward using your glutes and not your lower back. Keep your spine tall, chest lifted, and movements intentional. I promise this move is how you unlock power in your posture and hips. Feeling tension in your knees? Place a folded blanket or mat under them. Hold for 5 more seconds up at top. Feel your glutes lead, not your back. Now that your hips are awake, it's time to test their control. Tight hips can keep you stuck in a loop. This helps you break free. Back on all fours, keep your knees bent as you lift one leg out to the side, then lower with control. Alternate sides slowly. You'll feel your glutes fire and your core engage to keep you stable. I promise this move is how you unlock mobility and balance where you felt locked up. Want more intensity? Add a pause at the top of each rep. We've lit the fire. Now let's anchor that strength into your base. Now that your hips are engaged, let's support the whole chain. Your body deserves to feel supported from the ground up. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet hip-width apart. Press your heels as you lift your hips. Squeeze at the top and lower slowly. Keep your shoulders grounded and your breath steady. I promise this move is how you unlock spinal support and lower body power. Want more? Try lifting your toes to shift more weight into your heels. Let's make this one your strongest hold yet. Lock in for 5 more seconds. Now that your foundation is solid, we end with ease and release. Tension hides in the deepest joints, and this stretch invites it to leave. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, feet flat in front of you. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then switch sides. Move slow and feel the subtle stretch deep inside the hips. You don't need to force this, just let it flow. I promise this move is how you unlock hidden tightness and breathe space into your hips. Feeling stuck? Sit on a block or cushion to ease the range. You've come this far. Stay with me through this final breath.